Propstream has bought Batchleads. Propstream, a real estate data service company, and Batchleads have now merged, and Propstream has acquired Batchleads. Now, as we know in the real estate game, Propstream is king. They're the king of data. They're the most known, the most popular one, and probably one of the biggest. And now they are acquiring other real estate data software companies. So what does this mean for you as a real estate investor, as a wholesaler, as an agent? What does this do? What are the benefits and to this? Now, Propstream, you all know I've used Propstream and I use it in my business. I talk about it. I promote the product. It's a great product, right? And I have used Batchleads some bit, and I've talked about Batchleads before on this channel. And so Batchleads, their interface was always pretty good, but I was just used to Propstream. So I'm probably going to stick to using Propstream, but now that they're under the same company, maybe some of the features I like in Propstream, they're going to have in Batchleads, or vice versa, or maybe there's just going to be more features that we can tap into because now they're under one umbrella. So I'm just going to share my screen with you all. Let's just read this article. Let's learn about this acquisition, because this is big news in the real estate market, real estate investor arena. So before we go on, please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. Propstream announces acquisition of Batchleads and batchdialer. So it's not only Batchleads, it's batchdialer also, right? The phone service company. Because I'm not sure if Propstream has a dialer company. I don't think so. I know you can skip trace and get phone numbers off of Propstream and send out letters, but I'm pretty sure they don't have a dialer. But now that they have acquired Batchleads and batchdialer, now they have a robust dialer system, enhancing its AI-powered real estate data and lead generation solution. Acquisition allows Propstream to deliver an all-in-one property intelligence ecosystem for real estate professionals by combining two innovative leading platforms. So I think that's a big thing, that it's only going to benefit people who use Propstream or Batchleads. Now that you have, whether you're on Batchleads and now that you have this bigger company and they have more resources to give you, or if you're Propstream, now you have more features that you can tap into also. So I think this is only going to benefit users. Now, talking about price, I'm not sure how that's going to work. I'm thinking, like, if you do acquire more companies, then you can lower your price since you have more of a customer base now, and maybe that can help people. But okay, Propstream, real estate data platform company in the Stewart Information Service Corporation. As we know, they bought Propstream, or they acquired Propstream a couple years ago, maybe 2 years ago now, or 3 years ago. Now they acquired Batchleads. And one thing that I'm thinking about is, now is Propstream going to start acquiring all these data software companies? You know, I talk about different ones on this channel, but I have to let you all know I am an affiliate with Propstream. So if you use my link down below, I do get benefits from that, and I just get benefits from just promoting Propstream. So just want to let you all know that for full transparency. But the strategic investment unites Propstream robust property data engine and marketing tools with Batchleads' advanced AI-driven tools and contact dialer. So I guess Batchleads had more of an AI software, or more AI in it, than Propstream, because I know Propstream does have an AI feature in it. The resulting unified solution will allow Propstream to build upon the innovative suite of products already offered to customers of both companies into a seamless, future-ready ecosystem for real estate professionals. So I'm wondering if they're going to have one website, or they're going to keep the two separate. Because it says unifying solution will allow Propstream to build upon. Okay. Users of both Propstream and Batchleads will gain access to best-in-class nationwide data intelligence, enhanced lead targeting, and a unified outreach platform via voice, email, direct mail, all under one roof. This enables direct communication with property owners, helping users make faster, more informed outreach decisions while enhancing future-ready automation tools to accelerate their deal pipelines. Yeah, and that's a benefit because now on Propstream, you can call them. Probably you can call them directly from Propstream instead of having to download the numbers then call them on another dialer. Let's say you already have BatchDialer and you had Propstream as your data source, and so you pull that information into BatchDialer. But now that they're innovated or now that they're integrated, this will hopefully make it more easier. We continue to look to add value for our customers across the entire real estate market, and the acquisition of Batchleads marks another important milestone in our commitment to delivering innovative tools to our customers while focusing on seamless integrations and ease of use. So I think it's just going to make it more easy to use, more features. You're just going to have mostly everything on here. I think also this will open it up to more real estate professionals, right? Not only wholesalers, not only investors, and not even only agents. And I think agents will use this product more, but lenders, and mortgage lenders and other people in this real estate profession. By combining these platforms, we will equip real estate professionals with even more tools to easily uncover new opportunities while accelerating their lead pipelines, allowing them to drive better outcomes in a competitive market. The acquisition is about providing the best tools and experience to our customers. We are empowering real estate professionals with an unparalleled advantage by uniting the robust capabilities of Propstream and Batchleads into all one, helping. The newly integrated solution sets a new industry standard for intelligent, innovative, end-to-end lead generation by delivering unparalleled, I have a difficult time saying parallel, and accelerated outreach to real estate professionals and investors. All right, so that's from the CEO, seems like, the president of Propstream. Honestly, when I first heard the news, I was a little bit shocked because I just thought they would always stay separate, right? I never thought Batchleads or Propstream. I thought they were honestly head to head, as in not head to head, as in they were competitors, right? Propstream was obviously bigger, right? But I never thought that Batchleads would sell. And I also listened to the podcast that the one of the founders of Batchleads made recently, and he was just talking about the acquisition. It just seemed like the best move. They can grow their team more, or grow the resources that they offer to their clients more, and just expand better, which makes sense. And eventually, companies sell, right? And that's what happens. That's part of business. That's the economy that we live in. But now I just want to see how it's going to look on these websites. If I have a subscription with Propstream, how is that going to affect my Batchleads subscription? Do I have to pay for both, or can I just have one without the other? Now, of course I know BatchDialer is a separate thing, but how about Batchleads and Propstream, right? Because they offer this similar products. And I think Propstream did do a webinar just announcing this with the founder of Batchleads and the president of Propstream. So maybe they did discuss all of that, and so I'll do more research and keep you all updated on this. But let me know your thoughts. What are your thoughts on Propstream buying Batchleads down below? Do you guys like it? Are you not a fan of it? Are you converting to Propstream or converting to Batchleads? What are your thoughts? All right, you all. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later.